So welcome to the tip of the week. Let's start off by looking at a transmission spectrum of an empty liquid infrared cell. And you're going to see the little fringing pattern. This fringing pattern allows us to calculate the path length of the cell. Now we've covered that in a previous video, so we'll link that here if you'd like to learn how to make that calculation really easy by using PyCalc online tool. But what I wanted to cover today is the liquid demountable cell. Now that cell, you can take it apart, change the spacers, reassemble it. You can take it apart to clean the windows, unlike a fixed path length cell like the Smart Seal cell. I wanted to see how much I changed the path length by assembling the cell a couple of times. So let's take a look at the transmission spectra of these empty cells. So you can see at the shorter wavelengths, those spectra are a little bit out of phase. And then when we get to the longer wavelengths, they're in phase. So what does that mean? Well, I was able to change the path length when I assembled the cell. Now, one cell had a path length of 28.8 microns, while the other was 28.5. So that's a difference of about 0.8%. So is this going to affect your measurements? Nearly 1%. Well, if you're making qualitative measurements, probably not. It won't make a difference. If you need to make high precision, quantitative liquid measurements, then perhaps it could. So what can you do in that case? One would be switch to a sealed cell so that path length is never varying. Alternatively, you could always check the path length of your demountable cell right before you make the measurement, and then take that path length and incorporate it into your quantitative methods. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.